Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not seen the first 4 form of Navdurga videos, you can see the link in the description box below. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On the fifth day of Navratri, devotees pray to this form of Mother Divine, Skandhamata. They chant mantras, fast, offer sweets and money, and perform pujas or rituals. Skandamata literally means Mother of Skanda or Kartikeya, god of war. Lord Kartikeya was chosen to be the commander in chief of the army of Devatas that was waging war on the Asuras. When you pray to Skandamata, you are doubly blessed. This is because you are also bowing before Lord Kartikeya, who is seated on her lap. Ma Skandamata Devi has 4 arms. In 2 of her hands, she carries a lotus. She supports her divine son Kartikeya with one arm. The fourth hand is in the blessing position to grant the wishes of her devotees. She has 3 eyes. She is depicted holding her 6 faced son Kartikeya with one of her arm. She is seated on a lotus and so is known as Padmasana. She rides a lion. Her complexion is white and so she looks bright. What Skandamata represents? Ma Skandamata Devi has a kind and blissful face as she carries her divine son. Her power lies in the strength of a mother's love. She blesses her devotees wholeheartedly, showering them with affection comparable to the maternal love she shows her son. Devotees who pray to Goddess Kandamata Devi with a pure and dedicated heart are blessed with wisdom, wealth, power, prosperity, and salvation. They experience peace of mind, satisfaction, and bliss. It is said that her blessings makes the most intellectually challenged person intelligent. She enables her devotees to move towards deeper consciousness, which is the path towards moksha or enlightenment. Legend behind how Devi became Skandamata. Legend has it that there was once a great demon called Tarakasura who would often trouble the gods in heaven. By performing severe penance and pleasing the creator Lord Brahma, he secured a boon that he could not be killed by anyone but the son of Shiva. At this time, Shiva was mourning after his first wife Sati immolated herself. He had become a yogi and retired to mountains, undertaking severe graveness and immersing himself in meditation. Since it seemed that Lord Shiva would not take up the role of householder again, this boon almost made Tarakasura invincible. Therefore, he fearlessly attacked the Devas, causing much havoc in the heavens. However, with Parvati's deep devotion and steadfast penance, she pleased Lord Shiva and convinced him to come out of his self denial. Subsequently, they married each other and Lord Kartikeya was born. He became the commander in chief of the army of gods that went to battle with demons and killed Tarakasura. Thus, Lord Skanda or Kartikeya relieved the heavens of much tormented and sufferings. As she was the mother of such a brave son, Parvati was called Skandamata. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a comments below.